Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and here is your topic, and you got to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Please start.
Today my topic is cafe. Although there were plethora of cafes came in my mind when I think about cafe, but I would like to speak about cafe Cafe Alanto, which is located on the prime location of Lahore, called MM Alam. Uh, uh, there are also the cafes where people would like to go to that cafe. The biggest reason is that because of quality of food and the services which they provide, like different type of teas, coffees, and the best place for get together, and number of people use to go there for meetings. I would like to go there for get together to with my friends and with my colleagues. With my friends and with my colleagues, the decoration is fabulous and fabulous and fabulous, and the environment of the cafe is very decent, and people will feel comfortable there.
Okay, thank you. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Overall, it's fair. You've got a lot of repetition of ideas. You got few ideas and you tend to repeat those ideas. And you're communicating using very limited language resources. So use variety of words, variety of sentence structures, and that will only be possible if you have variety of ideas. Okay. Then you took certain pauses, so you need to focus your fluency as well. That's another thing. And there were some grammatical mistakes related to tenses. So try to overcome all these things. Yes. And focus the proper organization of your answer. Looking at your overall performance, at present I'll give you 5.5, but with a little improvement, you can easily make it 6, and then you can go beyond that. Right?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.